have to hand it to you, Mr. Sosa. You got everything a man could want.
I like you, Tony. There is no lying in you. Unfortunately, I do not feel the same about the rest of your organization.
What do you mean by that, Mr. Sosa?
I'm talking about Omar Suarez. This garbage was recognized by my associate at lunch several years ago in New York. He was an informer for the police. Put Vito Duval and the Ramos brothers, Nello and Gino, away for life. So how do I know you're not a Chivato too, Tony?
Hey, Sosa. Let's get this straight now. I never f***ed anybody over in my life. Didn't have it coming to me. You got that? All I have in this world is my balls and my word, and I don't break them for no one. Do you understand? That piece of shit up there, I never liked him. I never trusted him. For all I know, he had me set up and had my friend Angel Fernandez killed. But that's history. I hear he's not. Do you want to go on with me? You say it. You don't? Then you make a move.
I think you speak from the heart, Montana. But I say to myself, this Lopez, your boss, he had Chivatos like that working for him. His judgment stinks. So I think to myself, how many other mistakes has this Lopez guy made? How can I trust this organization? You tell me, Tony.
Frank is smart. You know? You can't blame him for that animal. And it's a crazy business we're in, you know? And that could happen to anyone, even you, you know? Why don't I go back and talk to Frank? And work it out. I fix things between us. You got my word on that.
I think you and me, we can work this thing out. We do business together a long time. Just remember, I only tell you one time. Don't f me, Tony. Don't you ever try to f
What? You made a deal for a $18 million without even checking with me? Are you crazy, Montana? Are you crazy?
Oh, you're Frank. Take it easy.
Hang on my ass!
At 10-5 a key is puro. You can't lose money. No way. We make $75 million on this deal, Frank. $75 million. That is serious money.
What the f is Sosa going to do when I don't come up with the first $5 million? What's he going to do? Is he going to send me a bill? He's going to send a hit squad up here, that's what. There's going to be a war in the street.
Relax. Take it easy. I'm in tight with Sosa. You short a couple of mil, I go on the street for you. I make a couple of moves. A mil here, a mil there. You got it. Okay?
You make moves on your own, huh?
I got ears, Jerome. I hear things.
Yeah? What do you hear about Chavilla, the Diaz brothers? What about them? What about Gaspar Gomez? What is he going to do when you start moving 2,000 keys?
for Gomez and f the f Diaz brothers. F them all. I buried those cockroaches. What'd they ever do for us? Look, Frank, time is gone. We gotta expand. The whole operation. Distribution. New York, Chicago, LA. We gotta set our own mark and enforce it. We gotta think big now.
Think big. Like your friend, Sosa. Let me tell you something about that greaseball cocksucker. He is a snake, that's what he is. You turn back on him, you stick it in. You don't trust a guy like that? You want me to believe Omar was a stoolie because Sosa said so? You bought that line. Maybe I made a mistake sending you down there. Maybe you and Sosa know something I don't know.
Like what?
Like what? You tell me like what?
You calling me a liar, right? Is that what you calling me?
Let's just say I want things to stay the way they are for now. You stole your deal with Sosa.
Stole it. Okay, boss. Come on.
I am the boss.
Sure, you're the boss.
Hey, Tony. Remember I told you when you started, the guys who last in this business are the guys who fly straight, low-key, quiet, and the guys who want it all. Chicas, champagne, flash. They don't last.
You finished? Can I go now?